Okay, everyone, I had to do a quick initial checkout since my recording limit is 3 minutes. So let's go. First of all, I want to turn off the answering system and see what would it do.
Calls will be answered.
Turn it off if I needed to.
Calls will not be answered.
If I lost a handset, what would I do? It of course does ring for mute. Does also mute for ringer when you click on cancel. But you gotta press find HS again, which unmutes. Now let's see if I needed to adjust to bass ringer. This gets distorted at 6. Now, of course, we do have a long reach antenna, which is pretty adjustable, but I like to keep it up just for display purposes. Now let's go ahead and check for ringtones. Set it as tone 10. Why not actually set it on the overtone? 2 is my favorite, but 4 when I set it at my Grandpa Tim's house, which you saw when I was little, and my actually my brother had the set and he was messing with the tones, which I'm glad he was inspired by it. We also got push to talk, which of course does work. Incoming PTT is off, and you can see it just says no incoming PTT, which I'll just turn it back on. So I'll record a memo for the next initial checkout part. Anyways, thank you for watching.